In these activities, a controller, model, view, and helper functions, 6 total, are built and work in unison to upload image files for vehicles that already exist in the inventory table. The controller is very limited. It handles uploads, deletes, and the default process, which is to query the images from the database for display and delivery of the results to a view. The default process calls for the list of vehicles to be queried from the database and then wrapped up in HTML select drop-down list, which will be displayed in the image management view. It also calls for any existing images to be retrieved from the database, wrapped up in HTML, and be made available for display in the image management view. Finally, it delivers the view. The model is responsible for writing image and vehicle information to the images table in the database, retrieving a list of images from the database, and deleting images from the database. The helper functions added to the functions.php page in the library folder is where the heavy work is done. These 6 functions do everything from add a string -tn to the end of the file name to indicate the item is a thumbnail image, to actually carrying out the resizing of images to be web ready. The view consists of 2 parts. First, it provides a form for selecting an image and associating it with a vehicle in the inventory table during processing. The form then submits the data to the controller for storing the physical image file on the server and storing the path to the image in the database table. Second, the existing images are displayed in the view. Each image is accompanied by a link that triggers the process for removing the physical image from the file's storage location and the image's record in the database. When the uploads controller is run, the view should be delivered. If no images exist, a message indicating that will be displayed. Select a vehicle from the drop-down list, then choose a file to associate with that vehicle, then submit the form. If things are successful, the view is once again displayed with a message indicating the results of the upload attempt, and the 2 versions of the image, a large and thumbnail, will be displayed with the delete link placed below each image. If the physical folder, where images are stored, is checked, 2 versions of the image should exist. Also, a check of the database table should show 2 records, one for the large file and one for the thumbnail. When an image's delete link is clicked, the page should reload, displaying the success or failure message. If successful, the image should not appear and the physical folder should show that the image has been deleted. The database table should also show the record has been deleted. Image uploads can be daunting, but if you follow the process described in the course activities, it can be a valuable tool for any dynamic website.